Today I will show you how to make a Facebook cover design. Create a new document that should be 800 by 312 pixels. Choose two similar colors from the picture you are gonna use in your cover. And with the gradient tool, make the background. Choose Polygon tool, write 4 sides. Make a rhomb. And now make another one by duplicating the existing one, Ctrl+J. Repeat this step a few times, and if you want to arrange them like me, just follow what I do. When a shape doesn't want to move the way you want, just zoom in and then move. Now press Ctrl while selecting each layer and click right, Merge Shapes. Go to the photo you want to use and go to Image Size. The height should be around 250. Place it over your shapes. Click right on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now click right on the Shapes layer and choose Rasterize layer. Now duplicate with Ctrl+J the Shapes layer and move it to the other corner. Here I made a small mistake, so I have to repeat a step that I did before, the one with clipping mask. Again, take your photo and move it over the Shapes layer, click right, Create Clipping Mask. Here I realize I don't like the background, it's too much going on in this design. So I prefer something simple, a white background. Make a new layer and with the Paint Bucket tool make it white. Often when you create a design you will change your first ideas. When you try to make your own designs, almost never it ends the way you first imagine it. At least that's my case. And most of the times the result is far more better. Now it's time for the text. Here really depends on your taste. Follow me to see my ideas. I chose Calibri as a font. With rectangular marquee tool, make a rectangle and fill it with a color with paint bucket tool. But before that, don't forget to make a new layer. Write some subtext. Usually when I want a text to fit a box, I make its tracking smaller or bigger, in this case bigger, and for my text 75 for tracking. You can find this type option in Character. If you don't have it already, go to Window, Character. When you want to change the color of just one word of your sentence, select it with your mouse and with Color Picker, that's in the down part of the Tools section, choose the color. I hope you learned something from this video. If yes, support me with a like and maybe a subscribe to see more. Have a nice day.